Experts predict this December is going to be crazy busy for car sales. I need to stock up now to prepare for the rush.
Craig Sanders here from Progressive Chevrolet, and I'm about to tell you about the biggest savings secret of the season. Cha-ching!
The early bird gets the deal this month. Trade in your old car early, even if you owe $2,000, $4,000, or $6,000 more than it's worth, and get up to $4,011 off any vehicle in stock. Once I stock my lot with 195 cars, this deal is done. I'm Craig Sanders, the dealer for the people.